Hello Cardano community, I am going to talk to you today 5 minutes about Profila, a real-fi project that is decentralizing data and marketing on the Cardano blockchain. So my name is Michiel van Roey, I'm a Belgian intellectual property, technology and privacy lawyer, and I'm also the co-founder and general counsel of Profila. We've been working for 3 years on what we call a user-controlled data and marketing platform that allows you as an individual to control your data and the use of your data. So you can control who has access to it, you can interact with brands on your own terms, and you get paid for watching personalized content from brands that you selected. So Profila is on a path to decentralizing its platform feature by feature. We're actually on a mission to become the first decentralized or DMAR marketing platform on the Cardano blockchain. And we currently have 5 proposals that received funding under funds 5, 6 and 7 of Project Catalyst, which include smart contract integrations, NFT use cases, and Atala Prism integration. And then the project I discussed today, which is Control Your Data Privacy Ledger. So our current app has privacy rights functionality included into it. So that means that you can actually exercise your privacy rights towards companies and send them instructions on what to do with your data. We call this a bit unsubscribe on steroids because you have, unlike an unsubscribe button, 8 different instructions that you can send a company, and you actually have a ledger that proves you've sent these instructions. So under this metadata challenge, we actually included information about a specific right that you assert with a brand into the Cardano blockchain, so that you have immutable proof at all times that you asked the brand to do something in relation to your data. In this demo of the Profila app, we take you to the right assertion process. So you first click on the plus below and then on assert your privacy. From here, you can select a brand to assert your rights with. In this case, we will choose for a Radisson Hotel, so Radisson Red. It will then show you a list of 8 rights. In this case, we choose the right to information to ask a company what info they have about you. The next step is identification, so you have to include an email identifier for them to contact you. And in the last screen, you can add some context to make your request more specific, so to ask specifically what kind of information you want. You then click OK, and you now successfully exercise the right with Radisson. So this will show you in the alerts. So in the next part, we'll show you the corresponding information on the Cardano Explorer to show you what happened here in the app. So you will now see the API that allows us to connect to the Cardano Explorer. That's here. Here you can see all the rights that were exercised with a particular client. So we'll just copy the transaction ID for this specific right and go to the Cardano Explorer. On the Cardano Explorer, you can add this transaction ID and it will show you the details of the entry. You can see that the received time is less than a minute ago. There, received time. You can then access the encrypted metadata below, which is information the user can decrypt using its private key, and this hashed phrase will then include all of the information about a specific right you exercised. So after that, we'll go back to the mobile app and to show you what happened there. So in the right corner, you can see now a checklist. And if you go through this checklist, it will show you all the transactions or legal requests you initiated. So you can see the details of these requests by including your private key, by pasting your private key and opening it. That's a private key. And this will show you that you exercised your right of information with Radisson Hotel on a specific date, and that they will now have 30 days to respond to this. If not, you have immutable proof that they didn't follow their legal obligations. So what's next for Profila? We have now a UAT version, but we'll include this step into the live app. Then we're also preparing for a large customer pilot of about 200k people, where they will be able to test this feature in the live app. And we'll also integrate our zero knowledge token in it, which got funded under Fund 7. So if you have any questions about this proposal or anything else we're doing on Cardano, join the swarm at the end of the town hall or send me something at michiel@profila.com. Thank you.